So here I am today with a pile of scraps. And what am I going to do with them? Well, I'm going to share with you something called extreme crochet or extreme knitting. Now, by that, I don't mean I'm going out on a ledge or all these funny things that sometimes you see on YouTube. This is about using these bits of scrap that I have in my work basket and using jumbo knitting needles or crochet hooks. It is a simple stitch. You just knit. There's nothing magic about that. It is a plain knitting stitch. You cast on as many as you need for your project. This has got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25 stitches, and it makes this sort of width.